Hi guys, welcome to Pulver channel. We have posted a video on copper price simulation using Excel at least 2 years before. We have used regression analysis to predict the copper price using Excel. It's been 2 years. The copper price has fluctuated like anything due to macroeconomic factors and geopolitical tensions. We have collected a fresh set of data starting from January 2017 till April 2025. We are going to follow the same regression method, what we have shown in the earlier video. The link of the old video will be available in the description. You can see and understand things better. Because in this video, we will just tell you how we did the regression analysis. If you want to know the step-by-step method of analyzing the copper prices, then I request you to watch the old video. So here we have collected the data on monthly basis, like LME of copper and other factors which could impact the LME prices, like freight rate, US inflation, USD/CNY, Brent crude, Baltic Index, natural gas. So, and again the copper mine productions, refined copper production, then what is the demand. So all these stuffs we have considered, and we feel that these are the factors which is affecting the copper LME. So now going ahead, so here the yellow highlighted values are the projected value because we have the data only up to February 2025, which is released so far. Till March and April numbers are not released. So that's why we have used Excel forecast. You can do the forecast using this option in Excel. You can watch the whole video to understand. So we have forecasted the numbers and we have just completed the missing data values to conduct the analysis. So as I said in the old values, first we conduct the correlation. So for that, what we do, we go to data analysis. There is an option called correlation. We select the required set of data, leaving the LME copper, starting from column C to N. All the data we select it and we conduct the correlations test. And this is the result what we have got. So we have highlighted the values which is above 80%. So 80%, it can be plus or minus. It is 80% plus if, for example, if the global demand moves up, even the production, refined copper production also moves up during 88% types. So that is what. Similarly, if it is negative, then if one thing is going up, the other thing will goes down. So this is what the correlation tests explains. So here we are finding only the values at 3 places, which is above 80. So we have highlighted. What we have decided is these 3 are related to the mine production, refined metal production, global demand. So we consider refined metal production, which should act as a common factor. So we will be removing mine production and global demand in the model creation, regression model creation, and we will go ahead with that. So what we have did was we have removed column I and K and went ahead with the regression analysis. What we have did is went to data. So there is an option for regression. Once you select it, it will ask the input range is column B and the Y range is the remaining other factors. Once we select, you have to tick on the labels, which is because the first row is labeled. Once you execute, we will get the result. This is the result what we got as a after running model 1 data. So here you find the p-value in certain cases, which is above 0.05. This also I have explained in old video. Please look into the old video to understand better. So I have highlighted the values which are above 0.05. So these factors will be removed because it is least significant, which means it will not have much impact on the copper LME prices. So I'm removing all those data fields, then the final fields will be USD CNY, USD CLP. CLP is a Chile currency. Then refined metal production, Baltic Index, which highlights the ocean freight. So after conducting the model to regression, you can find all the p-values are less than 0.05. That means this four factors has a significant impact on copper price movement. And again, this R value also I have explained in the other video, which is almost 79%, which means this model is valid 79 percentage times. So that that is what the adjusted R square value indicates. So here, once we get this value, these coefficients are important. What we have did, we have prepared a simulation. We have taken the coefficient numbers and then we have created a simulated copper price. What we have did is we have just some product of these two columns, coefficient, and this is the values which we can change as per us, and finally the intercept is getting added. So if the USD CNY is going to, for example, 7, the copper price may go up to 9,400. If USD CLP is 1,000, then again it may go up. So this is how the simulation works. So based on the coefficient, the values are getting calculated. Now further, we will be finding out the error in the data. So what we do is we calculate the projected copper price. What we do is USD CNY and we multiply that with the respective coefficient. So similarly, all the four factors are multiplied with the respective copper coefficient. Then finally, the intercept value, which is around 11,000, is also added. So accordingly, all the values are plotted for the copper projected copper price. And then again, the error is calculated. ABS is used for absolute because in certain cases you may find negative values also. To address that, ABS is used. This is which gives the absolute value. So only the positive values. So here, this is the error percentage. In certain cases, in certain months, it gives it is with almost 0% difference. In certain cases, it goes up to 15% also. So overall, which is the average of all the errors. So mean average percentage error is coming around 7.36 percentage. So this model has an error of this range. So the generally there is a range is calculated. So the upper and lower levels are calculated as the upper level is minus this into this. So the lower, sorry, in case of the upper level, this has to be plus the lower level has to be minus. So this is the range which is expected for the copper prices to move up or down. So in this range, you can expect. So even if we talk about the current values are around this figure, so you can see this is the tentative range. So around 8,100 to 9,400 is the range which we can expect. So the simulated price gives even though 8,800, but in general, this is the indicative figures we can consider for the copper price move. So if you want to know more in detail, I request you to go through the old video where we have explained step-by-step method of conducting the regression analysis, even the correlation and everything, which will help you to understand better. So hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and please do share with your friends. And if you have any queries, please put it in comment section. We will address it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.